Wow, nothing like the open ocean. This was the image captured at the end of our trip to the Keys. Here is our local marine analyst and diver, Matt Ahern. On the beginning of our mission to document marine biological phenomenon, we honestly had no idea what we wanted to study. Our minds were aimed at studying dolphins at the Miami Seaquarium, but the cost seemed too high and the environment too unnatural. Logically, the open ocean was the next place to conduct our study. As we were swimming through the offshore reefs, we had thought we would want to examine different types of fish. We expected to search through many coral reefs. Coral reefs are some of the most biodiverse areas in the ocean and attract different fish in the area. Reefs contain many different types of corals, making it a suitable environment for many different species of fish. Not to mention, coral reefs protect the coastlines from aggressive waves and large tropical storms. They provide shelter for many marine organisms. As there was an abundance of fish, the coral is what really stood out. Take a look at the different types of brain coral, sea fans, and fire coral. Brain coral are in the Cnidaria family and gets its name from its brain-like appearance. Sea fans are anthozoans, and upon further research, we discovered the name was recently changed from Gorgonian to Alcyonthiacea. The fire coral stood out most as we saw its bright hue in an otherwise color-drained reef. We closely documented fire coral, as depicted in the following video, and instantly realized this was our focus for the project. The first thing we found was fire coral are marine organisms part of a completely different class of their coral cousins. The phylum is Cnidaria. It's a type of hydrozoan. The phylum is divided into hydrozoans and anthozoans, and both produce calcified skeletons. Fire coral have a bright skeleton and could be found in both subtropical and tropical waters. Be careful though, as contact with fire coral can produce a sharp pain and rash that lasts for weeks. Fire coral are some of the most common coral found on reefs.